Hi, today we're doing lesson 14. So remember, we are now in week 7. So first of all, make sure you go to week 7, lesson 1, and log yourself in there or mark your own attendance. We are slowly coming to the end of our sessions. We've only got a couple of more things to do before we end finishing up 3.3. Today we're doing human respiration. So click on human respiration. It's all about us breathing. So we know how difficult it has been, this remote learning. A bit of meditation happening here. It just demonstrates the importance of breathing. Then, of course, what we're really on about is doing the activities. So remember, same process. Load up your Word document. Um, Always try and save this to your Google Drive. Um, so we have our pre-video questions, so labeling the different parts of the respiration system, which you would have learnt in year 8. We now have no PowerPoint presentation, so straight to videos, and then finishing off with our post-video questions. As far as this experiment goes, that is an optional one. Don't think many of you will take it up, but if you should, I'll just demonstrate what you need to do. Just basically follow that, and that's measuring your lung capacity. Remember, the three videos we've got, and so do the post. And interesting, did you have a look at the respiration chemical formula and the photosynthesis? They just read the same, but in the opposite direction. So have a good session. Tomorrow's double. We may do a prac. I'll see what I can organise. Have a good day.